Homeowners in Redmond value comfort, beauty, and sustainability, and few home upgrades deliver all three like properly installed, energy-efficient windows. While choosing high-quality, insulated windows is a great start, the real key to maximizing their performance lies in proper installation. Even the best windows can underperform if they aren't fitted, sealed, and insulated correctly. In Redmond's cool, wet winters and mild summers, ensuring your windows are installed the right way can make all the difference in keeping your home energy efficient and comfortable year-round. Let's explore how expert window installation boosts efficiency, reduces energy bills, and protects your investment for the long haul. Preventing air leaks and drafts. A window's primary job is to create a tight seal between your indoor and outdoor environments, but that only works if it's installed with precision. Improper installation can leave tiny gaps between the window frame and wall, allowing air to leak in and out. In Redmond's climate, that means cold drafts during winter and warm air seeping in during summer, both of which force your HVAC system to work harder. Over time, these inefficiencies translate into higher energy bills and less consistent indoor temperatures. Professional installers use techniques like insulated foam sealing and weather stripping to eliminate gaps and ensure an airtight fit. This prevents energy loss and helps maintain a stable indoor climate throughout the year. Ensuring proper insulation around the frame. Many homeowners assume the window glass is the biggest factor in energy efficiency, and while it's important, the insulation around the frame is equally crucial. If the surrounding wall cavity isn't insulated properly, heat can easily transfer through the gaps. Certified installers in Redmond take care to seal the perimeter with expanding foam or insulation materials designed to withstand moisture and temperature fluctuations. This step reduces thermal bridging, which is the process where heat escapes through poorly insulated areas. By ensuring both the window and the frame are properly insulated, you get maximum energy savings and consistent comfort across every room in your home. Reducing moisture and condensation issues. Redmond's weather is known for its frequent rain and humidity, which can make moisture control around windows especially important. Improperly installed windows can trap water between the frame and wall, leading to condensation, rot, or mold growth, all of which can impact energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Proper installation includes flashing, caulking, and sealing techniques that prevent water infiltration. These not only protect your home's structure but also keep insulation materials dry and effective. Dry insulation performs better at blocking heat transfer, which directly supports energy efficiency. With a professional installation, your windows act as a barrier against both air and moisture, maintaining comfort while preserving your home's long-term integrity. Maximizing window technology. Performance. Energy-efficient windows come with advanced features like low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and multiple panes that reduce heat transfer and UV exposure. However, these technologies only deliver their full benefits if the window is installed properly. For example, a small tilt or misalignment can compromise the seal, allowing the insulating gas between panes to escape. Skilled installers ensure the unit is perfectly level and correctly secured to maintain the manufacturer's performance specifications. This precision ensures your investment in high-efficiency windows actually pays off, keeping your home cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and reducing strain on your HVAC system year-round. Lower energy bills and a smaller environmental footprint. When your windows are correctly installed and insulated, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. That translates into lower monthly energy bills and less energy waste. For Redmond homeowners committed to eco-friendly living, this also means a smaller carbon footprint. Replacing and properly installing old, drafty windows is one of the most effective ways to make your home more sustainable, without sacrificing beauty or comfort. Protecting your investment through longevity. Proper window installation isn't just about efficiency, it's also about durability. Poorly fitted windows are more prone to warping, water damage, and premature failure. When installed by professionals, your windows will maintain their structural integrity and energy performance for decades. Many manufacturers even require professional installation to uphold warranty coverage, so you're protecting both your investment and your peace of mind. Final thoughts. For homeowners in Redmond, window replacement is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's an opportunity to significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. But the key to unlocking those benefits lies in proper installation. By choosing experienced, local professionals who understand Redmond's climate and building styles, you can ensure your new windows perform exactly as intended, keeping your home quiet, comfortable, and efficient for years to come. When it comes to energy savings and peace of mind, the difference truly is in the installation.